Welcome to our channel. Today. We'll guide you through fixing bank errors in your QuickBooks reconciliation step by step, so you can keep your finances flawless. Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into solving one of the most common issues QuickBooks users face: bank errors during reconciliation, and how you can fix them systematically. Begin by opening QuickBooks and navigating to the reconciliation screen. Select the bank account you're working on, and confirm the statement ending date and balance match your bank statement. Step 1. Review the transactions in QuickBooks versus your bank statement. Look carefully for any transactions that appear twice or any missing from either side. Step 2. If you notice a transaction duplicated in QuickBooks, you need to locate it in the register and either delete or void the duplicate to prevent inflating your balance. Step 3. For missing transactions, add them in by clicking the Add Transaction button. Fill in all relevant details, including date, amount, and payee. Remember, accuracy here is key. Step 4. If you find a transaction in QuickBooks that does not appear on the bank statement, check with your bank to ensure it is not a timing issue like a pending transaction, or wait a few days for it to clear. If it's an error, remove or adjust it in QuickBooks. Step 5. Sometimes bank fees or interest appear on your statement but aren't recorded in QuickBooks. Enter these manually in the reconciliation screen under the adjustments to keep your records accurate. Step 6. After correcting all discrepancies, click on Finish Now. If QuickBooks says your difference isn't zero, double-check dates, transaction amounts, and any previously missed entries. Errors may also stem from incorrect beginning balances. Ensure these match your bank's starting balance for the period. Step 7. Regularly reconcile your accounts to avoid buildup of errors, and consider using bank feeds to automate transaction imports. This proactive approach keeps your records clean and your reconciliation process smooth. Fixing bank errors in QuickBooks reconciliation is crucial for maintaining accurate financial statements. With patience and these clear steps, you'll resolve discrepancies and trust your books again. Remember these tips each time you reconcile to prevent future errors.